Summertime is roads and trails repair season here in Bryce Canyon National Park. The rocks of Bryce Canyon's high pink cliffs are very soft and crumble easily, which means trails below the rim have to be rebuilt often. For paths on top of the rim, we can actually bring in more suitable material. This very clayey sediment actually comes from the Kanab area, from the bottom of the grand staircase, where mudstones, shales, and sandstones are abundant in the chocolate and vermilion cliffs. After being spread thin, a compactor is used to press down the slightly damp sediment. The clay within it helps bind the various sizes of rocks together. Slowed down a bit, you can see how the compactor's vibration helps settle the path into place. Truckload by truckload, this section of the rim trail between Sunset and Inspiration Points is resurfaced. This method not only smooths walking surfaces, but strengthens retention areas along the rim. And after a week's time, it really just blends right in.